Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn the basics of Excel. So let's start by reviewing what do we see on this screen. So these are called tabs in Excel. This is the Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. Each of these houses these sections which are useful for our day-to-day operations, and each one has relevant content according to its name. Like the Home tab has the collection of mostly used options in Excel. The Insert tab has options which are related to inserting objects in your Excel sheet like pivot tables, pictures, videos, charts, graphs, and so on. The Page Layout tab is more towards how your page looks like and how to print it. The formulas, like the name suggests, is all about formulas. The Data tab is about importing data, exporting data, and some specific functions like text to columns, flash fill, removing duplicates, data validation, what if analysis, grouping. We would be covering them in the next videos. The Review tab is about spellings, thesaurus, lookup, translate, commenting, protecting your sheet, and View tab is all about how you view your Excel sheet. This is called a quick access toolbar, which allows you to access a few functions of Excel quickly, like it has a save function, undo function, redo function. I have added an email option and a spelling option here. How do we do that? I'll explain that in the later videos, but this is called a quick access toolbar. These are the tabs, these are their basic contents. This is a formula bar. Whatever is mentioned in a cell would always be visible in the formula bar. If it is text, then the text would show. If it is a number, then the number would show. And in case it is a formula, then the formula would show over here. This is the address bar. Whichever cell you click, its address would be shown over here. In case if you have selected a range, but I'll explain what is a range later, then the name of the range would be listed over here. Here we can see sheet number 1. You can add sheets by clicking on this plus symbol. You can add as many sheets as you want. So you can see the sheets over here. This section is again about view, how you view your sheet. This is a normal view. This is the page layout view. This is a web view that you see. This is a zoom in, zoom out option. So you can zoom in or zoom out. This is the scroll bar over here, which you can use to scroll. And now each of these boxes can contain individual data and has a unique cell address. It is called a cell and it is a unique address. This is the smallest entity that can exist in Excel. Like this cell is called E5. This cell is called A1. Now why is it called A1? Because this vertical stack of cells is called a column, and this horizontal stack of cells is called a row. Now, the point where the columns and the rows meet, that is called a cell, and every cell is unique and having a unique address. Like this intersection of a column and a row is at D2. D is the column number, 2 is the row, so it's called D2. This cell is called G4. G is the column number, 4 is the row number. This is referred as B4. B is the column number and 4 is the row number. A cell can contain text, it can contain symbols, it can contain formulas, it can contain numbers, it can contain comments. Like I can type 1, 2 over here, I can type A, B, C over here, I can type a formula like is equal to 2 plus, it's equal to 2 plus 2, enter is 4. So now you can see the formula. It can have a symbol like exclamation mark, so on and so forth. Now, like we discussed, what is a column? So a vertical stack of cells is called a column. A column is till the length of a column is till the end of your Excel sheet, which goes till here. There are 148,576 rows in our Excel sheet in Excel 2016, and a column can be this long. And you can select a column by clicking on the name of the column, which is this alphabet B. You can resize it if you hover your mouse at the edges. The shape of your mouse changes, and you can drag it to the right to increase the width, or drag it to the left to decrease the width. You can select a complete column by clicking on the top, and then you can do any action like copying it. I have selected this column. I am doing a right click and pressing copy, and now I can paste it here. I select column J to copy it, and then I right click it and click on paste. See, I have copied a complete column. You can delete a column by selecting it by clicking on the top and right click and delete it. So a column gets deleted. The same thing can be done with a row. This is a row. You can select a row by clicking on the number representing the row. To find out how many cells are there in a row, we can actually do a calculation, a simple calculation. Let's mention 1 over here, and in the next cell, we can have a formula which will say the value of this cell would be 1 plus whatever is the value of this plus 1. So this becomes 2. Now I can copy this formula till the end. And when I go to the end, it tells me there are 16,384 cells in a row. Whatever you can do with a column, you can do with a row. You can delete it, resize it, copy it like we did with the column. And then we come to what is a range. Now, a collection of cells is called a range. For example, let me just increase this font over here. I have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now, when I select these cells using the shift key and the arrow keys or through my mouse, then this is called a range. You can refer a range in formulas. So once we move on to the next videos, you'll understand how easy it is to refer to ranges. So this is called a range. You can even give it a name, which I'll explain later down the line how to refer named ranges. Now, how to insert value in Excel? It's very easy. You simply just type in. You type in numbers, you type in text, like I told. You can type in symbols. You can enter values in Excel using formulas also, like we did over here, is equal to 2 multiplied by 8. Now it gives you a formula, a value. How to delete is something important, because many times you write some stuff which you may not want to see. Then you can simply click on that cell and press delete. You can select that cell and do a right click and then choose the option of deleting it. So it is asking shift your cells up. Yes. So this cell got shifted up and this one was deleted. The best way to delete is pressing the delete key. Easiest way out. You can delete a complete selection also, or range, like I've selected this and pressing delete, everything gets deleted. You can even delete a row, complete row. Now let me type in something here. Now I select this row by clicking on the number representing this row and doing a right click and clicking on delete. So it got deleted. See, the complete content got deleted. It again got renamed to 19 because the number would not go away. The content would go away. You can delete a column, like this is a column which I want to delete. See, column G. So when I delete column G, the content of the column G would be deleted, and whatever the content is there in the next column would be replaced by this, would come over here. Like column G, I click on delete and see Now it is showing a reference because the link is gone. The link for the formula is gone. So I simply just copy it and it is back again. See, the column stays there, the content got deleted. The complete content of the column got deleted. How do you copy in Excel? Well, very, very important thing. To copy in Excel, you just need to select the cell you want to copy, do a right click, click on copy, and select the cell where you want to paste it. Like I want to paste it over here. Now I do a right click and do a paste. So this is how I copy. You can copy a range also. Now I can copy a range. I selected these two cells and I can even do it via my keyboard, which is CTRL key plus the C key. Control C. I copy this, I select the place where I want to paste it and I paste it by pressing CTRL key plus the V key. See, Control V. So this is how I paste it. I can paste a complete range. Copy, paste, it got pasted. See, so very easy, very, very easy to copy stuff. You can copy numbers, text, virtually whatever is mentioned in the cell or in the range can be copied. It can be pictures, it can be graphs, it can be formulas, everything can be copied. As we move along the course, we will understand how to copy stuff even in more efficient manner. We also learn how to paste stuff, right? How to cut. Now, what do you cut in Excel? Now, cut is pretty similar to copy. Copy creates a replica of whatever you copied. However, cut moves over that stuff to a new location. Like I want to move this 3 cells from here to here. So I select them, do a right click and select cut. And now I choose a place where I want to paste them and do a right click and select paste. So it got cut from here and was pasted over here. You can do it for a single cell, cut, paste. You can do it for a range. You can do it via keyboard shortcut also, Control X, Control V. So this is how you cut. How do you now edit data? Important aspect. Now I have written 1, 2, 3 in this cell. All right. Now I want to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do I do it? Well, the easiest way is going to the formula bar, clicking there and typing away. Press enter and you are out of that cell and it got edited. There is another way, like in this cell, I want to, instead of 5, I want to write 500. I can double click this cell and then with my keyboard, I can select the location where I want to enter data. Like if I want to make it 25, then I type it over here. If I want to make it 251, then I type like this. So you can edit data in this manner in Excel. And it is also very important how to enter comments in Excel. Now, to enter a comment in Excel, you need to do a right click on the cell which you want to have the comment and select on insert comment. Then shows up your name, which you can delete of course, and type in this is good. Simple. Any cell containing a comment will have this red mark on the top right hand side, and as soon as you hover on it, the comment will become visible. You can edit the comment by right clicking it and choosing edit comment, and then you can edit it. You can delete it, add new stuff, like I'm putting a period mark over here, and once you click out of it, it gets edited. You can delete a comment by right clicking it and choosing delete comment. We will be discussing comments later also in our further classes. And like I said, you can even delete your sheets. Coming to sheets, you select a sheet, you do a right click and you click on delete. The sheet got deleted. See, you can rename a sheet, which we'll cover in the next video. So this was a basic overview of Excel. See you in the next video.